Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum. First, ensure your skin is thoroughly cleansed to remove any makeup or impurities. Then, dip the innovative triple roller applicator into the bottle just one time. This ensures you get the perfect amount of product. Apply this hydrating serum to dry skin both in the morning and evening as part of your regular skincare routine for best results. Now, let's talk about the application technique. Using the unique triple roller applicator, gently massage the serum in small circular motions. Start from the inner corner of your eye and move upwards towards your temple. Repeat this soothing motion 4 times under each eye. Afterward, gently smooth any excess serum over your eyelids to help lift and firm the delicate skin. This powerful eye serum features key ingredients for visible results. It contains 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, which intensely hydrates and plumps the skin, smoothing fine lines. Additionally, 1% pure caffeine re-energizes the skin, effectively reducing dark circles and puffiness. Niacinamide is also included to further brighten and calm the delicate skin around your eyes, promoting a flawless complexion. To maximize your results, gently tap any remaining serum into your skin using your ring finger. It's the gentlest touch. Always apply this eye serum before your moisturizer and any makeup, as it creates a smooth base. This non-greasy, fragrance-free formula is dermatologist-tested and suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin and contact lens wearers, ensuring comfort and efficacy for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.